This is the standard Exacti lens. I'm just going to do a pan so you can see how it's like. Now I'm going to show you the wide angle lens that I showed you earlier, which is 0.45x, which is designed to fit on this camera. Here is the professional 2.0x telephoto lens designed to fit on this camera. I just thought I'd show you what it's like. Obviously when you zoom back in, you do see the edges of the lens. Now here is the Emerson Super Quality 0.5x lens. This is the 52mm lens that I showed you, the silver one, which is bigger, and obviously you can see the difference. So I'll just do a pan so you can see what it's like. And the zoom. Right, here is the high definition 16x fisheye lens that I showed you, the big black lens with the ring adapters on. And obviously if you look at this picture you can see the edges of the lens. The advantage of having a zoom inside the lens of the camera is you can get around that by zooming in a little. But I'll just show you a pan. And then we'll zoom in till we've got rid of the edges, so you can still see that it's quite wide, but it is bending the straightness of the lines a lot. And obviously we can zoom a lot further in if we want to. So as you can see, fisheye lenses does have its advantages. Doesn't fit properly, does that, does it? Here you can see my high definition. Here you can see my HD Pro Vivitar Series 1 0.43x wide angle lens. I'm using this on my Sony camera to do my video log, to record the review. So I thought I'd give you an idea of what the lens looks like. Oh, for fuck's sake! That's a good one there. Thanks a lot for fucking making a noise. Right, here you can see the Sanyo Exacti semi fisheye lens, which is 0.4x semi fisheye, and you get an idea of what this does. This lens is designed to fit on the Sanyo Exacti camera, and obviously again you can see a lot of the edges, so you always have to zoom in a little bit to get rid of that. But I thought I'd just give you a little idea of what this is like, and I'll zoom in again so you can see what results you can achieve. There you can see we've got rid of the edges, so it obviously gives you the equivalent of a wide angle lens then, and obviously we can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, the last lens I've got is a 0.45x wide angle lens. This is a 46mm thread with an adapter on, and I'll just show you what that's like. So those are my examples. I hope I've showed you what you can do by putting extra lenses and different size lenses on your camera. The benefits of a bigger lens rather than a smaller one means you don't get any sort of edges around the edges of your picture. Disadvantages with a big lens is it's heavier on your mount, and it's a lot bigger to carry around. So it's up to you what you prefer to go for. Just remember, ring adapters are available. They cost next to nothing, and you can adapt any lens to fit on virtually any camera. So I hope you've enjoyed my review, and keep tuned, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.